today we're gonna be removing some of this weeds out of my garden, and so that I can plant some grass. This is how much I've managed to do, and around the strawberry patch. So now I'm just gonna rake up all the weeds before I can look into planting my grass. today I'm continuing with the cleaning up here, and also I'm just gonna be planting the grass. But first I want to attend to these rows here behind me, and I want to trim it and also to treat. I noticed that it's got some bugs in the back of the leaves, and so I am going to be using water and cayenne pepper to use as an insecticide. Okay, these are the bugs that I'm trying to kill. Here, focus. That's the type of bugs, if you can just see here. Those are the bugs I'm trying to kill. I don't know what it is, but also this side I've noticed that it's sort of like, I don't know if it has hatched or what, but this is how it looks, and hence the reason why I'm gonna be using cayenne pepper. But I think the white stuff, this type here, it's more like I don't know if it's the eggs which then hatch into these, so I'm gonna be treating that. Okay guys, I don't know if you noticed that it sort of like started raining and then it stopped. This is just mostly roots on my grass that was creeping closer to the house that I'm removing, because with this, what I'll be doing is I will be completely covering this, just to, because in winter it's quite cold here and all the frost is gonna be killing all this grass. So because I want this grass to sort of like start picking up around springtime, so at the moment I'm just gonna be completely covering it up like this. Grass, it becomes more like this when it's full bloom. Let me just quickly show you. Okay, I know my grass isn't cut and looking nice, but the grass that I'm planting is this type. It grows out to be like this when it's full and covered. This Okay guys, I just wanted to come in here and show you a root from my grass, how it looks before it starts shooting up. So if you have clippings like this or grass that goes over your lawn, this is the type that you can use. Actually dig it up from the root so that the root can be replanted. Take this instead of buying grass all the time, just use this and plant it and see what happens. This is gonna help you a whole lot in saving money. So this is what I'm using. That's basically all. That what you can see here is all this, even though it's got like more grass on top, but what I'm really planting is the roots, and hence the reason why I'm covering it up. I'm just trying to preserve this so that during the spring and summer months, when all our rain starts, this will be like solid on the ground, and they will just pick up and cover this whole lawn. So yeah. Also, if you have something like this one, it's quite a chunky piece. What you can do is like break it up like this, just break it up, let it stretch, man. You can break it up as much as you want, so long as you get your roots down, it will pick up and eventually it will spread and cover more ground with just small roots like this. They will cover more ground. Okay guys, so I am done with planting all this grass here. This is all of it, all the way up to there. It's actually from here, just slightly in front of my fountain here, and this is where it starts. The grass clippings here in between these gazanias and the lawn that I've planted. I'm gonna be separating my garden with paving stone, just to separate the lawn from the garden. Hence the reason why I put some gazania around the fountain. This is the lawn now. As I said, if you can refer to my video when I first moved here, or rather when I first came to see this house, there was no grass, nothing, just nothing at all. Even here you could see some tractors and stuff, and there was just no grass at all. This is all. This year there was just nothing at all. It was just bare. Everywhere here was just bare. I had to plant all this here. This is mostly the side, that's my clivias. I'm gonna be transplanting these clivias to go to the other side. That here is a peach tree that I cut down. It wasn't giving fruits. The fruits that it was giving, it was rotting, so I had to cut it down. This one I got from my mother-in-law from Joburg. I got from my mother-in-law. This one I found it here, but it was in one of these pots here. It was in one of these pots. If you can check out the video when I first got here, you will see how these pots looked. but then I planted these were tiny when I planted them. They've quite grown because I planted them around, I'd say, November time, and this is how much they have grown. I still need to plant that another one there, but I have planted this here. This, as I said before, that side all the way up to where the rope is, it's just gonna be my orchard. I still want to get some mango, apple and pear. That's the 3 plants that I feel like I will be so happy to have, apart from the nachis, the plums, the kumquat, avocados, banana, and the peach tree here. And the other day, from a root of that lemon tree, it was starting to grow, so I picked up this baby from the root. I came to plant it here. I'm gonna keep on watering it and see if it sets up roots. Maybe, just maybe, I get lucky and it picks up. Watching. Do comment down below and give me pointers on gardening if you know more about gardening, what helps, and if you know something that helps with the grass, especially with it, and picking up more and spreading more apart from just watering and getting, you know, something to feed the grass. Also like to know what your guys' thoughts are on what has seemed to work the best for you when it comes to your lawn maintenance. Thank you for watching. Leave those comments down below, especially on pesticides, natural pesticides. So yeah, thank you so much. See you on my next video.